pat her back. Oh, hold on. Show me burping the baby.
No.
You don't want to? Can you show me how you burp her?
Bottle.
You want to feed her the bottle?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now she needs burped. Show me how you burp her. Pat her back. Pat her back until she burps. There you go. Did she burp? Good job.